ओके आज आम जा एक्सरसाइज 6C एक्सरसाइज 6C पूर्वर आम किसी कॉन्सेप्ट्स और किसी इंपोर्टेंट वर्ड्स जो की वर्ड्स ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर सेटा आम देखा डिस्कस करवा। सो फर्स्ट आम डिस्कस करवा व्हाट इज म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स। Mutually exclusive events. Now, listen carefully. A set of events is called mutually exclusive when the happening of one event excludes the happening of other. गोटे इवेंट जदि हेगला अन्य इवेंटा हेई परिबनी से टाइप रो डेटा इवेंट किंबा पांचटा इवेंट को आमे कहबा म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट्स। Thus, if E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive, then E1 intersection E2 is equal to 5. E1 intersection E2 is equal to 5 and vice versa. Multiply if E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive, then E1 intersection E2 equal to 5 or एमती भी कोई परिवा E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive if E1 intersection E2 is equal to 5. बर्तमान आर गोटे एग्जांपल दबा एग्जांपल तुम कंप्लीटली बुझी जीवो व्हाट इज ए म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव इवेंट। सपोज द एक्सपेरिमेंट इज tossing a coin. Okay, so let E1 is a event of getting head and E2 is an event of getting a tail. Now we can say event E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive because if E1 happens, then E2 cannot happen. This is an example. Simply I am out example de pariva. Suppose you toss a dice. Let event E1 is getting an odd number, event E2 is getting an even number. So jodi tomar odd number asibo, even number asiboni. So this is also an example of mutually exclusive event. ताले कोटा mutually exclusive event नुह तार मध्य गोटे example नबा. Suppose you experiment is to toss a dice. Event 1 is getting a prime number. Event 2 is getting an even number. Prime number, even number. देखो आम देखा प्राइम नंबर आसिले इवेन नंबर आसीपर ना नहीं आसीपर कहीं प्राइम नंबर इज 2 इवेन नंबर इज ऑल्सो 2. सो वी कैन से इवेंट 1 एंड इवेंट 2 आर नॉट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. बुझी पार्ल दुईटा एग्जांपल देली. म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव रो एग्जांपल होची getting a odd number and getting a first event is getting a odd number and second event is getting a even number. ए दुटा को आमे कहि परिबा ए दुटा इवेंट को आमे कहि परिबा म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. किंतु सेकंड एग्जांपल let event E1 is getting a prime number, event E2 is getting an even number. ए दुटा इवेंट को आमे कहि परिबा नहीं म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. सिंपल म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव माने गोटे इवेंट हेले आ गोटे इवेंट हबन. That is called mutually exclusive. Condition one rakha, if two events are mutually exclusive, then their intersection is null or 5. This is the condition. Then next asiba ame exhaustive event. What is an exhaustive event? See, E1, E2, E3 up to En are events such that E1 union E2 union up to En is equal to S. S माने sample space. S माने sample space are called mutually exhaustive event. आर गोटे एग्जांपल दूचे example, suppose the experiment is a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. So suppose this is the experiment. Now events. Suppose event E1 is getting a red card, event E2 is getting a black card. Event E1 getting a red card, event E2 getting a black card. So हमें कोई परिवार E1 and E2 are mutually or exhaustive event. कहीं probability of E1 E रे black as जाउची, E2 रे red as जाउची, और total card black और red ही अच्छे और किछ नहीं. So हमें इटा कोई परिवार event E1 and E2 are exhaustive event. किंबा out example same card. Suppose a card is drawn. Suppose a first event E1 is to get a heart. Second event E2 is to get a diamond. Third event E3 is to get a club. Fourth event E4 is to get a spade. Now what is the probability of getting a heart? 13 by 52, 1 by 4. Getting a diamond, 1 by 4. Getting a heart, 1 by 4. Getting a club also 1 by 4. So if you add all, you are getting 1. That is the sample space. गोटे कार्ड जल्दी देखिए, चार्टा इवेंट आमे देखिए, क्लब, स्पेड, डायमंड, हार्ट. टोटल से 3 अच्छी. सबुजार प्रोबेबिलिटी ऐड कर देले 1 आछी. सो दैट इज द सैंपल स्पेस. अब कॉइन रो जदि देखियो एग्जांपल, सपोज ए कॉइन इज टॉस्ड, event of getting a head and event of getting a tail, also mutually exclusive. So we can say when a coin is tossed, if the event E1 is getting a head, event E2 is getting a tail, then these two events are mutually exclusive and also mutually exhaustive. Exclusive and exhaustive. Then what is the condition? Condition is E1 union E2 up to En is equal to S or sample space. देखो तुम जदि कार्ड रो नबो, कार्ड रे केवल ए चारटा ही थाउची, डायमंड थाउची, हार्ट थाउची, क्लब थाउची और स्पेड थाउची. सब जार यूनियन जदि नबो तमरो 52 आसी जिवो. दैट इज द सैंपल स्पेस. और एप्लीकेशन हमें प्रॉब्लम पर देखिए. देन नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट. Two events are said to be independent if the occurrence of one does not depend upon the occurrence of other. If E1 and E2 are independent events, then probability of E1 intersection E2 is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2. जदि दीटा इवेंट इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट हबो ताले प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 इंटरसेक्शन E2 इज इक्वल टू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 इनटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2. So what is an independent event? Independent event means, simple example, the occurrence of one event will not affect the occurrence of another event. That is your independent event. Now the best example, suppose you toss 2 dice. Now the occurrence of event in the first dice has no effect on the occurrence of the event on the second dice. First dice रे जहाँ भी आसीबो तार इफेक्ट किछि भी पड़िबोनी सेकेंड डाइस रे कोन आसीबो. सो सेटा होचे हमरो दिटा इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट. कंडीशन मन रखो probability of E1 intersection E2 is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2 if two events are independent events. For example, two dice are tossed. What is the probability of getting an odd number in the first dice, and what is the probability of getting an even number in the second dice? Now the probability of first dice has no effect on probability of second dice. So these are the example, and these are the important definitions with example. So take your time and write down everything. Now repeating three most important concepts, very important exam point of view. Sometimes you get direct question based on these concepts. See, if E1 and E2 are mutually exclusive, then probability of E1 intersection E2 is equal to 0. E1 intersection E2 is equal to 0. Probability. Similarly, if E1 and E2 are exhaustive events, then probability of E1 union E2 is equal to 1. Probability of E1 union E2 is equal to 1. If E1 and E2 are independent event, in that case, probability of E1 intersection E2 is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2. So we are going to apply these concepts in exercise 6C and 6D. So write down, these are the three very important concepts of probability. आरंभ करिया क्वेश्चन आरंभ करिया से एक्सरसाइज 6C रे टोटल there are 5 questions. टोटल 5टा क्वेश्चन अछि and I am going to solve 3 questions, and you will be able to solve all the 5 questions provided you work on these 3 questions. So प्रथम आमे देखिया क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. It is not the exact question, it is the question similar to the question that is there in the book. बहिरे जो क्वेश्चन अछि तारो एटा सिमिलर क्वेश्चन. So question प्रथमे पढ़िया बुझाउ चेष्टा करिया. There are 3 bags, B1, B2 and B3, having respectively 2 white, 6 black, 3 white, 5 black and 5 white, 3 black ball. A bag is chosen at random. प्रथमे तमे bag गोटे चूज कला and a ball is drawn. गोटे bag चूज कला, गोटे ball draw कला. Find the probability that the ball is a white ball. So question is very simple. गोटे bag रे किछि 3टा bag अछि, white ball अछि आउ ब्लैक बॉल अछि. प्रत्येक बैग रे व्हाइट बॉल अछि, ब्लैक बॉल अछि. तमे गोटे बैग ड्रॉ कलो, बैग ड्रॉ कला पर से भितर गोटे बॉल ड्रॉ कलो. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट दैट बॉल इज व्हाइट? दैट बॉल इज व्हाइट. सो मुझे लिखिबी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द इवेंट इज दैट प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट इज फ्रॉम B1 and white or means plus probability that it is from B2 and white, and probability that it is from B3 and white. Okay, now see again independent event एटी आसला तमे बैग ड्रॉ कलो, it doesn't have any effect on what type of ball you draw. बैग दीटा इवेंट अच्छी, फर्स्ट इवेंट रे तमे बैग ड्रॉ करछो, सेकंड इवेंट रे तमे बॉल ड्रॉ करछो, so it has no effect on the other. बैग ड्रॉ कलो, बॉल ड्रॉ कलो, ए दीटा इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट, फर्स्ट इवेंट रो किसी इफेक्ट नहीं सेकंड इवेंट रे. सो आमे देखिवा प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट फर्स्ट बैग इज ड्रॉन, बी बैग B1 प्रोबेबिलिटी आसरा होची 1/3 काई तीनटा बैग अछि, व्हाइट सेटा व्हाइट हबो, व्हाइट रो फर्स्ट बैग व्हाइट बॉल आसरा प्रोबेबिलिटी होची 2/8. There are 2 white balls and 6 black balls, so it is 2/8 plus direct value पकेले it p पकेया दरकार नहीं, plus probability that it is from bag B2 again getting the bag is 1/3 into getting a white ball, 3 white और 5 black अच्छी 3/8 plus third bag, probability that it is from the third bag is 1/3, again it is a white, it is 5 white and 3 black, so it is 5/8. so हमें denominator जेहेतु इक्वल अच्छी लिखी दबा 2/24 plus 3/24 plus 5/24, so आसीगला हमारा 10/24 is equal to 5/12. so answer is 5/12. ये क्वेश्चन टा बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ए टाइप रो आ गोटे स्टेप जदि हम आगु को जीवा ताले हमें अप्लाई करवा बायस थ्योरम. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रे हमें डिस्कस करवा बोथ बायस थ्योरम एंड ए क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन बायस थ्योरम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमें आसवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 जोटा कि हमरो बायस थ्योरम. सो probability of EI slash A is equal to probability of EI into probability of A slash EI whole divided by summation I equal to 1 to n probability of EI into probability of A slash EI. So it EI represents, it can be 1 to n, it can be E1, E2, E3, E4 or E5. So what is E1, E2? E1, E2 up to En form a set of mutually exclusive events and mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So E1, E2, E3 up to En is a set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, and EI is one of them, and EI is an event. Okay, now what is A? So write down, it is very important. A is an event inside EI. A is an event inside EI. Okay, A is an event inside EI. Okay, बर्तमान आमे क्वेश्चन को आसीबा. ए क्वेश्चन को फिट एला वाला ए कांसेप्ट को फिट एला वाला ए क्वेश्चन अछि. क्वेश्चन देखो, there are 30 boys and 20 girls in class 11 and 25 boys, 20 girls in class 12. If a student is selected from a class, happens to be a boy, It is important. So already declare he is a boy, happens to be a boy. Find the probability that he has been chosen from class 12. So देखो आपको perfectly example दे के मुझे लिखूँ let event E1 is choosing class 11. Event, so हमें लिखि परिवा probability of E1 is equal to 1 by 2. And data class अच्छे class 11 or 12, 1 by 2. Let similarly event E2 is choosing from class class 12. So probability of E2 is equal to again 1 by 2. Now concept देखो, see where E1 EI कोटा भी परियो, E1 भी परियो, E2 भी परियो. जहाँ क्वेश्चन रे कोई तो सेटा आवे ना. So see here probability of EI slash A को हमें आसियो. See most important, E1, E2 up to En set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. देखो दीटा क्लास अच्छी, so selecting class 12 and selecting class 11 is mutually exclusive and exhaustive. तमे जदि probability of E1 plus E2 करियो मध्य आसी जिवो 1. So it is a set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. What is A? A is an event inside EI. A is an event inside. So पुणी से class भितरे तमे E1 suppose भितरु गलो, सेठी boys आसियार probability केते, girls आसियार probability केते, ताकू कहबे A. So आमे लेखि परिवा probability of E1 slash probability of A slash E1. A slash E1 माने कौन? और इठी let event A is happens to be a boy. एटा होची event A happens to be a boy. Let so इठी लिखि दवा A means event of getting a boy. So probability of A slash E1 means E1 means class 11 भी हितिबो और boy हितिबो. So सेटा so वर्तमान क्वेश्चन को आसीबा. There are 30 boys and 20 girls in class 11 and 25 boys and 25 girls in class 12. If a student is selected from a class happens to be a boy, find the probability that he has been chosen from class 12. So एटी हमरो जल्दी नबा event E1 is choosing from class 11. Event E1 is choosing from class 11. So E1 is equal to 1 by 2 event E2 is choosing from class 12. Probability of the event is again 1 by 2. A is event of getting a boy. A is event getting a boy. So आमे बर्तमान देखिबा आकु रिलेट करियो चेष्टा करिबा. EI means it is either from class 12 or class 11. E1 होची choosing from class 11 1 by 2. E2 होची choosing from class 12 again 1 by 2. See एटी कोन लगा छि E1 E2 up to En are set of mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So data class अछि, data class रो probability होची it is from class 12 1 by 2. class 12 रो हमें जदि सिलेक्ट करिवा class 11 रो सिलेक्ट करि परिवानी. So it is mutually exclusive. केवल दीटा ही क्लास अच्छी class 12 and class 10. So events are also mutually exhaustive. So our एटी केवल दीटा ही event अच्छी E1 and E2. A probability is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Then the event of getting a boy. What is the probability that he is a boy and he is from class 11? So इटी हमर आसीजिबो class 11 रे हमर अछंती 30 boys and 20 girls. So 30 by 50, that is equal to 3 by 5. Then probability of A slash E2 is a boy and from class 12th. Class 12th रे अछंती हमर 25 boys and 25 girls. So 25 by 50 equal to 1 by 2. Now हमें जो फॉर्मूला पुट करिवा देखो से कोई ची probability of EI माने कौन कंसीडर करिवा class 12 ना class 11. class 12 कंसीडर करिवा. So हमें नबा probability of E2 slash A is equal to probability of I means 2 is equal to is from class 12 so 1 by 2 into he is a boy again 1 by 2 whole divided by summation 1 to n. it n रो value 2 कहीं दीटा ही event अछि E1 and E2. So P E1 पकेवा E1 होची 1 by 2 into A slash E1 3 by 5 plus आई बोले बर्तन E2 पड़िबो. E2 माने 1 by 2 into A slash E2. A slash E2 मध्ये होची 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So जदि आपको हमें सिंप्लीफाई करो आंसर आनो सिंप्लीफाई करो वीडियो रो लास्ट में आर आंसर कहबी सिंप्लीफाई करके तमे आंसर आनो. देन सेम एग्जैक्ट हबो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 तमर जोटा कि बुक रे अछि. So again one more question based on Bayes theorem. Again repeating the theorem. Pi slash A is equal to P EI into PA slash EI summation 1 to n P EI into PA slash EI. So question, out of adult population in a village 60% are farmers, 30% do business and 10% are service holders. It is known that 20% of farmers, 10% of business holders and 50% of service holders are above poverty line or APL. What is the probability that a member chosen from any of the adult population selected at random is APL, is above poverty line? Then first bit asla out आपको ए क्वेश्चन को रिलेट करके फर्स्ट दिला, if person selected is APL, what is the probability that he is a farmer? Let's discuss the answer. Let probability of E1 is event that he is a farmer, E2 is the event that he is from business community, and E3 is from service. So probability of farmer is 60 by 100. Similarly, probability of E2 is 30 by 100. Probability of E3 is 10 by 100. And A again already explained. A means it is an event inside E1, E2 or E3. Let A be the event that the person chosen is from above poverty line. Now the question is, a person is selected, what is the probability that he is above poverty line? So now you have to find out the probability that the person is a farmer and above poverty line, or the person is from business community and above poverty line, or the person is a service holder and above poverty line. Now that can be written as, let the answer is probability of E. Probability of E1, farmer, A means above poverty line and farmer. Similarly, E2 means business. Probability of A means above poverty line, E2 means business. Probability of E3 means service and above poverty line and service. So now let us put the values. E1 is equal to 6 by 10. Instead of 60 by 100 I have taken 6 by 10. Then farmer and above poverty line. 20% of the farmers are above poverty line. So 20 by 100, that is equal to 2 by 10. Similarly, business 30%, 30 by 100, 3 by 10 into 10% of the, or here 10% of the businessmen are above poverty line. So it is 10 by 100 or 1 by 10. Then the last event E3 is from service. 10% are from service. So 1 by 10 into above poverty line 50% into 5 by 10. Now if you add all the values, you are getting 20 by 100, or it is 20%. Now let us discuss the next bit. What is the next bit? If a person selected is APL, what is the probability that he is a farmer? He is a farmer. Now here exactly you have to apply the Bayes theorem. So farmer means probability of E1 slash A. Probability of E1 slash A is equal to first probability of E1 into probability of A slash E1, that is 6 by 10 into 2 by 10 whole divided by summation of E1, E2, E3, and also this will be E1, E2, E3. So already we have calculated it. This is 20% or 20 by 100. So 12 by 100 whole divided by 20 by 100. cancel, so it is 3 by 5. 4 रे कटे जीवो 3 by 5. So now with this question we come to the end of this video, and you can solve all the 5 questions. Once you understand the explanation of these 3 questions, you can solve all the 5 questions of exercise 6C, and last the answer of the questions that is to be calculated is 5 by 11. जो क्वेश्चन टा हमें कैलकुलेशन करना थिले आंसर होची 5 by 11. Thank you very much.